Good day. Let's start our reading lesson, Benny and the Sea Monster. Genre, realistic fiction. Realistic fiction is a made-up story about something that could happen in real life to real people. The skills of this lesson: describing story structure. A story has a beginning, middle, and end. Beginning, middle, and end are parts of the plot. Characters are the people who are doing the action in the story. Setting means where and when the story happens. Problem to be solved. There's no story without a problem. Vocabulary. Creatures. Animals. Living things. The ocean is full of interesting creatures. Explore. To look at new places and things. The Boy Scouts hiked to explore the deep forest. Mood means feelings or attitude. Mike is in a bad mood because his mom won't let him watch TV. Spiky, covered with pointy ends. Cactus is a plant that has spiky leaves. Squat, to bend your knees and lower your body so you are sitting on your heels. He squatted behind the bush so no one could see him. Squirm, to wiggle uncomfortably. Babies squirm when a stranger tries to hold them. Object, a small thing. The picture on the right screen has different objects. Don't run with a sharp object in your hand. Scoop, to pick up and move something using a scoop or spoon. She scooped a big chunk of ice cream into the bowl. Swoop, to fly down suddenly. I dropped a piece of bread and the seagull swooped down to get it. Extra words. Edge, the part where an area begins or ends. Slimy, covered with thick, slippery liquid. Tide, the rising of the water level in the ocean at night. Crawl, to move the body close to the ground. Creeping, moving slowly or crawling.